Hey everyone, I am here at the SADA booth, one of our partners of the year 2023. I'm here with the CEO, Tony Safoyan. Nvidia is actually one of our partners of the year. Right here today, I have Mike Thomas here from Nvidia. We are at the VMware booth here at Google Cloud Next, and I am with Sheryl Young. And I also want to point out that they are a partner of the year, so congratulations on that. Hey everyone, right now I'm at the Slalom booth with Christophe Dumas. So can you tell us a little bit about the exciting news for the partnership?
Not only announcing the A3 instance coming to market here in the next month, we're super excited about that being generally available, but also doubling down our partnership on platforms like Vertex AI. So really was an exciting in a whirlwind of the last 3 days, but really having Jensen and Thomas really kick things off was no better way to start the conference for us. What we tried to do with our booth for this year was incorporate some of our great partners and some of the actual great Google Cloud customers as well that are using NVIDIA tech on Google Cloud and are really scaling their businesses from everything from a generative AI perspective to monitoring your models to even doing some really cool demos with Dataproc. But for this in particular on the Vertex AI front, again, we're super jazzed up about our partnership with Vertex AI. And in particular, one of those containers and stacks is Triton. Triton's our inference server. It's where we really recommend for customers to scale their models out so they can support any framework, any model. And when you combine Triton with Vertex AI, you kind of get a great 1-2 punch to scaling your inferencing. And having that auto scale capability that Vertex brings to the table means that your inferencing of your machine learning or deep learning models is not going to be delayed based on people setting up infrastructure, which is huge.
One of the most exciting areas for VMware and Google Cloud is Google Cloud VMware Engine. And so I'd love to learn a little bit more about that.
So we're so excited that we have this joint solution, Google Cloud VMware Engine, that both Google and VMware can sell through the VMware Cloud Universal program at VMware. So we're showing how easy it is for customers who are used to using VMware products on-prem can now do that in Google Cloud. And they're getting a VMware as a service stack provided by Google on dedicated Google Cloud nodes. And they're getting vSphere, vSAN, NSX, and HCX to help them very seamlessly move their workloads to Google Cloud.
Okay.
Not only that, they can also connect them to native Google Cloud services like BigQuery and get even more analytics, AI, and more insights about their customers.
Christophe, tell us about Slalom.
Slalom is an organization that helps people and organizations dream bigger, move faster, and build better tomorrows for all using platforms and especially Google Cloud.
What are some projects that you've been doing? Tell us a little bit more about the partnership as well.
Yeah, of course. So we actually had an awesome session on stage with our customer, Arvis Bank, and they had a session about how we've been working with Google and Slalom and the customer, helping them transform the way they do banking, but also walking through the journey with them and helping them change the way they work, change the way they have a career progression of people who might have been working on legacy technologies for a long time and now are doing it in a new way in the cloud.
So tell us about SADA, what you're doing in the partnership.
What I'm most proud of this year is how many customer stories we have to tell, how many sessions we participate in, main stage, developer conference, these stages around here, and and it wasn't like pulling teeth. It was like every customer wanted to tell their story. And the ones that were not involved in the stories but attended are all raving about how valuable this conference was for them. I think the biggest change has been a feeling of optimism and excitement, obviously driven and accelerated by all the work that Google has done in the realm of Gen AI. And I have to say, in my 17 years of working with Google in the enterprise, I've never seen Google respond so swiftly and so powerfully as I have in the realm of Gen AI. And now when we go to market, I can say we are going to market with Google Cloud with a market leading stack in Gen AI. And it feels good to be able to say that.
Well, congratulations on all of that. And I really hope that next year you're on our list again for Partner of the Year because you have
We're gonna try. We're gonna go for it.
6 consecutive years?
Yes.
Okay, well, congrats so much on all the SADA success. Amazing. Well, thank you so much, Mike, for the incredible partnership, and we look forward to conducting all these workshops with customers. And I just want to congratulate Slalom and you all for Partner of the Year this year, and we can't wait to see what you do next. Well, congrats on Partner of the Year, and thank you so much for an awesome partner.
Thank you so much. Yeah, we're so excited to be a Partner of the Year in the infrastructure and virtualization area.
Yeah.
It's so great to collaborate with Google.